Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome if you're new. I am a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and I love sharing my reseller life here with you on this channel, just some tips and tricks and what works for me, just in hopes that you learn something and it helps you in your reseller business. So today, I actually have an update for us, a 90-day update on an unboxing video I did, which seems like forever ago. This is a Jomar denim unboxing that I did at the beginning of the year. Now, if you guys like videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Every time I do an unboxing video, I come back 90 days later and I give you an update on what sold, how much it sold for, and really, after I've had a chance to sell this stuff, a recommendation of whether or not I thought the box was worth investing in and whether or not I would purchase another one. Definitely drop this video a like if you find it helpful. That helps out my channel a lot as well. So this one is a little late and I apologize because I've been moving and stuff, but I want to still update you guys on this box. Now, personally, spoiler alert, I think the Jomar unboxing I did a few weeks ago, and I'll link it here if you want to watch it, I personally think that my more recent box was better than this one, but I'll update you nonetheless. So basically what I'll do is I will show you the lowest profit item up to the highest profit item. I'll put the screenshot here so you guys can see. I'll tell you what platform it sold on and how much it sold for. This box, I only have one thing that I haven't sold yet, so that's pretty much everything is gone out of this one. So just to recap, this was a Jomar 25-piece women's denim pre-loved box. My cost was $33.20. I listed only 10 items out of this box and I've sold 6. I have 1 left. And 3 of the items I have marked as fallout, which basically means either I eventually pulled it down and took it to buy, sell, trade, or I sent it to ThredUp, or I documented it, and then when I went to list it, I found a flaw and I couldn't list it. So I'll start with the lowest item, and actually, I'm not sure if I have a screenshot for this one for some reason. This was a pair of LL Bean women's jeans. They were like vintage mom's jeans. They were a size 6 tall, and they ended up selling for $10 on Facebook Marketplace. They were vintage mom jeans, but they weren't like the in style kind. I don't know. I wasn't really confident that I was going to sell these at all, so I listed them super low. I figured because they are vintage and the mom jean thing is kind of on trend, I would see what I could do with it. So my cost of goods, I don't think I mentioned, was $3.32 per item. These sold for $10, so a little profit on these, $4.68. Then I sold these true skinny jeans. These were Gap, and I actually like selling Gap. If I can find Gap at the right price, I usually pick it up myself, so that's not really surprising. These sold for $13 on Mercari, so about $7 profit in it for me on those. Then these, and honestly, if you watch the original video, I didn't know what this brand was, and then when I looked it up, I realized that it actually sells pretty high. So these were a little bit disappointing to me. These were the Revice jeans, and they were a nice style. They were like a high-rise destroyed. They were a size 25 though. And so although when I did comps, I noticed that they were selling kind of high in general, the interest didn't really happen for me. And I don't know if it was the size or what. So I listed them, I think, at $50. Like, I listed them pretty high. And after sitting for almost 3 months, I ended up selling them for $15. Somebody sent me an offer and I figured I wasn't getting much interest otherwise, so I would just go ahead and take it. Now, you can let me know in the comments if you think I should have held out for a higher offer. Maybe because they're destroyed, they're more of a spring and summer type thing and I should have waited. I'll let you guys tell me. I'm not sure, but anyway, I let those go for $15 on Poshmark. Then I had these Express mid-rise legging jeans, and Express is kind of like Gap. You know, if I get them cheap enough and they're in good enough condition, I would pick it up anyway. So I think these I would have picked up. I definitely, since I had them, I went ahead and listed them. They sold for probably $18, but I sent an offer to Liker. So I think I listed them for $20. I offered the $18 with discounted shipping, and then the offer was accepted by the buyer. So $15.54 was my takeaway on those, making the profit just over $9. Then these American Eagle high-rise jegging. These again, American Eagle is a tried and true brand for me. I figured these would be a quick sale, and they were. They sold for $18 on Poshmark, which is just about the amount I would expect to get for those. So not mad about that at all. And then the highest selling item in this box, which was not really a high selling item at all, but these were super fun. I loved these when they came out of the box. I still thought they were great. Even though they were a size 24, they got attention across all platforms, but eventually sold on Mercari for $19. So these are the BDG high-rise bell flare jeans, and that was the highest selling item in the whole box. So I do have one pair of jeans that's still listed, these super skinny black jeans that are J brand. I don't have a ton of luck selling J brand. They are a small size. Not a ton of interest. So those, I mean, I don't have high hopes for, but this box is pretty much done otherwise. So how it broke down, I spent $33.20 on the box. I have my cost of goods at $3.32 per item. And my total profit on the box is $39.23. So technically, I doubled my money. Is this a good box? No, this was not a great box. It was an okay box. I doubled my money, but if you think about it, yeah, I only spent $30, but I only listed half of the box. And to only make $30 in the time it took to list everything, and I don't even remember what I did with the stuff I didn't list at this point. I either donated it or sent it to ThredUp. I might have tried to take some of it to buy, sell, trade, but that takes time as well, just to get rid of or repurpose the inventory I'm not listing. So to only have doubled my money on this, I'm going to say no. Typically, if it's the mystery boxes that are like secondhand items where the cost of goods is really low, in order to make it worth my time, I would like to see at least triple. Now, would I buy this box again? Yeah, and actually, since I unboxed this one, I've already unboxed and shown you guys another one. So I would buy this box again. I don't think that this, just because this one turned out this way, that it's always this way with this box. I would buy this again even still. So with mystery boxes, you know, you win some, you lose some, you break even or whatever, but you know, I learned about a new brand in this one, the Revice. Now, I know if I ever see that again in the thrift stores, maybe not a size 25, but to look it up, to take a second look, it's not something I had ever heard of. So every mystery box I open, I end up learning about a new brand, a new style, a new way of listing after researching. So they are still, there is value in that in itself. So no regrets on this one. Let me know what you think. I'm interested to know, have you purchased this box recently? What do you think about the items in this box? Anything I should have held out on or waited longer to sell? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed. I've got lots of unboxings, and since I've done so many unboxings, lots more 90-day updates coming up here soon. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.